Good morning, dear hearts. We're at lesson 119. Quick reminder that we have one more lesson in this review, and then we go on into a new section. So, the two lessons we reviewed today are on the hour, truth will correct all errors in my mind, and on the half hour, to give and receive are one in truth. Okay, both of these lessons are about truth. So, the first one, truth will correct all errors in my mind. It tells us a couple things here. First of all, errors just need to be corrected, okay? They don't need to be punished. And every error occurs within my mind. That's the only place, because it's only in my mind that I am mistaken about things, and that I will project them outward if I don't want to own them, which in general is the condition of my ego mind. So this lesson says I am mistaken when I think I can be hurt in any way, because my mind cannot really be hurt. My mind is whole and complete because it is the extension of God's mind. It is part of God's mind, and nothing can hurt my mind. The other thing is that to correct everything is to heal everything. So every error that I have had in my mind will be healed by the truth. The truth sets me free. The truth corrects. The truth gives me a rebirth and a recognition of who I really am. The truth is the one thing that I have been missing here in this world, because I have thought that there is something that is opposite of the truth. That is fear, that is the ego, but again, truth is as love is. It is all-encompassing, and there is nothing that is opposite to it. So when I switch to truth, remember the Course also tells us it's all about what's true and what's false. When I switch to truth in my mind, every misthought will be healed. It will be corrected. It will simply disappear because I will have no more use of it. It will give me no benefit, and so I will release it. The second lesson for today, to give and receive are one in truth. Again, we have truth. What is real is that the act of giving and receiving happens simultaneously, and there is no distance between them. In truth, in an egoic world, I believe there is a space of time in between what is given and what is received. I also believe that what is received must be of more value than what is given. I do not give freely. I give as a bargain. We've heard this before. We'll probably hear it again. So, what I give is actually, what I give is only what can be received back, and it will be received back tenfold and more, but that's only when I am giving what is true. And what I am giving that is true is love and peace and joy and happiness, the same things that are given to us by our Creator. In that sense, giving and receiving are one in truth, because these are true gifts. They are the gifts of God. Now, the lesson says, I will forgive all things today, that I may learn how to accept the truth in me and come to recognize my sinlessness. The word forgive, it's right there in it. It is forgiving. Forgiveness is to be given, because it is only in my forgiving that I am able to receive. I must forgive every error in my mind, that I may now forgive and receive what is real and true. So, I hope that helped. And please comment, and if you have some thoughts about it, I would appreciate that. Please like, please share, please subscribe, the usual. And please be here tomorrow for our last 2 review lessons in this section. And be well, all right? Be happy. Namaste.